Well, it is, well, I don't even know what today is. June 20 something or another. June 21st. And I'm finally back to work after Logan's surgery. So this is kind of update of, you know, what the heck's going on. So Logan went in the 7th, and yesterday he got out of the hospital after physical therapy and all that crap. But yeah, last night we got him home, and he's doing good. He, you know, he got in the truck to get home, or the van, and scooted his butt up in the truck, and took a while to get him home because we got discharged late, so we were kind of in rush hour. So, but we had a good dinner last night. He was happy. Everyone's happy that we're home. And yeah, it's been a long, like, 2 weeks, man. Holy smokes, doing all that driving. We were like, I was doing like probably 160, 170 miles a day, just driving back and forth to the hospital. Every 2 days it's $90 in gas. It's strain, you know, financially, mentally, physically. I'm just fatigued, you know, all that driving. I don't know, I drive a lot at work, but I don't know what it is. Driving down there, it's just, by the time I got done last night, everything's set up and done, I was so drained last night. It's just way too much. But he's back to, he's up and walking, which last night was like, he's like, well, you know, I want to go to the bathroom. So he gets up, instead of using, you know, getting up, getting into the wheelchair and then getting into the bathroom, he's like, hey, I'm just getting up, using my walker, and walking to the bathroom. I'm like, okay, whatever you want to do, man, it's up to you. But by the time he got from the recliner to the bathroom and the bathroom to the recliner, he was pretty much whipped. But he was actually putting weight on his leg, which is a good thing, and he's starting to use his leg, so that's definitely a good thing. Other than that, we are home finally. It's just, it's taken forever. 2 weeks, it seems like a year that we've been just going back and forth to the hospital. It's just, and trying to get everything back, together, you know. I had to do some shopping. My wife's going to pick up groceries today, and it's just a lot of catching up to do, let's put it that way. Luckily the kids finally are on summer vacation, the other kids, which is a good thing. They're going to be home and they don't have to worry about anything but helping their brother out, which is a good thing. So yeah, it's definitely draining, but we are back to work finally, and I'm trying to just get back doing the motions, you know, trying to get back to work, and it's just odd, you know. Like the van, I had to order new tires for the van this morning, pick up refrigerant because I didn't have any refrigerant, and we're just starting our day at, like, by the time I got situated and made all the phone calls and everything, I'm at like 10 o'clock right now. So it's a challenge. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, which is appreciated, highly appreciated. The Zelle, the Venmo, he does Logan does have a wish list on Amazon. That link is down below, so check that out. We keep on adding stuff here, you know, taking stuff away, adding stuff to it, because, you know, we just gotta, you know, because we do receive stuff, or we do buy stuff, you know, and we take stuff out of there and maybe put some stuff back in. But that's highly appreciated too. So we will see you on the next update. Thank you.